Good morning, community. I hope you are all well. I wanted to jump on and share something that gets us fantastic results to get corporate bookings, the higher end contractor market, executive lets to some big businesses, some multinational companies, and the longer term lets 6 months onwards to companies and executives. And that is Rightmove and Zoopla. So putting our corporate lets on here as all-inclusive prices just works fantastically well for us. So these aren't residential lets. We're using that residential let platform for the corporate let market. And let me explain why this works. There's three main reasons why this has been super successful for us. And by the way, guys, not everybody has access to this. Very few people do, and very few managing agents will, because Rightmove and Zoopla costs us thousands of pounds a month. So unless you're a residential letting agent, you will have these, and it's not cost effective for individual operators to take Rightmove subscriptions, and it's not cost effective, or a management company may not want to have that cost. But we have these costs. We've got 300 plus residential properties anyway. We've got these national accounts for Zoopla and the branch accounts for Rightmove. So we have access to this. It's worked so well for us. For so many years, well over the last decade. Why? So number one, these don't, they're not linked to a calendar, so they're always there, meaning that if somebody is looking, and they're unlikely to look for a 6 months or 2 year let on Airbnb, this is always here. If somebody's searching for a property like this, or a city centre apartment, whatever, they're going to be looking at these properties and looking at the calendars and searching on your listings, even on your direct booking site. And these are likely to have bookings in. So if somebody's looking for like a 6 month let, or even like a 3 week let, your listings won't even show on Airbnb and booking.com. That makes sense, because if they're looking for a long-term let and they put the dates in, not knowing the industry and how the booking sites work, because they're looking for something different to what the short-term rental industry is supplying on the OTAs, well, they'll put this in for, I know all of these properties are all going to be let, probably to long-term contractors if they're suitable. So if they were in Airbnb, they would be blocked out. So they're never going to appear on the OTAs in the traditional way of doing things. So they have no live availability. We can get leads and we can convert those leads. If somebody's in, we can swap, chop and change. Because if somebody wants corporate let in Ayrshire, we've got 50 plus properties in Ayrshire. Somebody wanted something in Greater Glasgow, I think there's 60, 70, 80 properties we manage. So we'll always be able to find something. So it's great for leads and getting connections to the businesses. So number one, it gets you visibility where you wouldn't normally get it. Number two, these are commission free. If somebody books this and says, I want that beautiful property there, on all of these Scotland with licenses, so all fantastic. So these beautiful properties, that's commission free. Why does that matter? Because if we're going through the corporate booking sites, not Airbnb, the OTAs, they're online travel agents, but the booking sites that give the same leads as what we would generate from this strategy, well, we are talking minimum 15%, and things like such as Sweet Hub, Silverdore, Comfy Workers, these things, up to 22% in some instances, maybe more when you add the VAT. But in some cases, for some of these insurance providing companies, there's 60-day payment terms. So with this, we can get some nice corporate let rates with no fees for our owners. These costs are fixed to us, so this is fantastic. So as close as we can get is commission-free bookings. And if you're paying a little commission on a 3-night booking to Airbnb, well, that's all right. But if you're getting big 50, 60,000 pound a year bookings, and you need to pay 20% to these companies and get 60-day payment terms, that's a win for them, and it goes into your income. So fantastic that we don't have expensive commissions to pay, and the people pay direct to us. We don't need to go through third parties intermediaries. We get the direct details of the tenants, and we can maybe give them more properties if they have more people coming, meaning that we can get more direct bookings. We don't need to have even more to companies, because some of the lets that we've had over the years from the large corporate suppliers have taken, one had 46 people they were giving us. Well, that was over 46 rooms, I think we ended up giving them across the west of Scotland. That was 46 times the fee. If we'd get the first person for that, using that strategy, we could save 46 bookings, because we can say, do you have anybody else that's coming? The next thing here, guys, is think of the mind of the people that are booking. So if somebody's looking for, and they're relocated to Ayrshire, let's say, they're relocated to Ayrshire and they're looking for something. Well, who's going to be wanting a kind of long-term residential let and actually checking Airbnb and Booking.com. One, they're not going to show up, and two, that's unlikely that they're going to look there. So this, with the corporate let, allows people to have the flexibility, and they perhaps didn't know this existed, where they could rent it to a company in an all-inclusive bill. So it's really smart to be doing this. It works well for us. But the mind of people who's looking, it may not be the business owner, it may not be the executives from the BBC or the NHS or people coming from overseas and the big bank managers. It's a VA, it's an executive assistant, it's somebody's employee that's been given this, and they'll probably check the polls that they know from rental properties, which is Rightmove and Zoopla. So these are just places that people may look. So have done this very successfully for over 10 years, so I know it works, guys. If anybody's interested, need any help in this, let us know, because we can help you nationally with Zoopla, and where we have the branches with Rightmoves to advertise your properties and see if it works. Now, not all properties are suitable for this strategy, because if you've got a classic holiday home let, nobody's going to be looking at that for long term. If you're fully booked with bookings and your principal strategy is short-term rentals, the tourism leisure market, then we don't want to be wasting people's time, because you're not going to shuffle at 40 bookings in a year to take a year-long booking if you've got forward bookings in your calendar. And we probably won't get the lower-end corporate contractor bookings, the muddy wellies type contractors, but these are great for high-end things. Not going to say some of the companies, but we've had governments, we've had big production companies, big banks, universities, NHS. We have found lots of leads through these. Like I say, it's not a widely used strategy for the short-term rental industry, because it's very expensive for individuals or indeed agents to do it, but we have it. So guys, if you have nice high-end corporate properties that you would like to get out in a kind of, let's say, 2 months, so 3 months plus, and some of these leads that have came to us have been 2-year plus bookings, and imagine paying that commission at 20% to a company. So these do nice and well for the right type of property. And let me know if you guys would need any help with this. I can speak to the team, introduce you. I just charge a small fee to get it listed for you, and if it's suitable, hopefully save you thousands and maybe tens of thousands in commission.